Step into a charming backyard sanctuary where nature's embrace awaits. Here, amidst the verdant beauty of winding stone pathways and lush greenery, a small garden blooms with vibrant flowers, painting a picturesque scene of tranquility. At its heart sits a quaint wooden bench, inviting you to linger and savor the peaceful ambience. Above, a pergola adorned with climbing vines and fairy lights casts a magical glow, creating an enchanting atmosphere for relaxation and rejuvenation. It's a haven where time seems to stand still, allowing you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature's embrace. Step into a modern minimalist haven nestled within a backyard garden, where simplicity meets sophistication in perfect harmony. Sleek geometric raised beds play host to an array of succulents and ornamental grasses, their clean lines and sculptural forms creating a striking focal point against the backdrop of lush greenery. Alongside, a Zen-inspired gravel pathway winds its way gracefully, inviting peaceful contemplation with every step. At the heart of it all, a central seating area beckons with clean-lined furniture surrounding a sculptural fire pit, offering a serene retreat for quiet reflection and intimate gatherings. It's a sanctuary where sleek design and natural beauty converge, inviting you to find solace and inspiration amidst the simplicity of modern elegance. Step into a serene sanctuary nestled within a small backyard garden, where tranquility reigns supreme and nature's embrace soothes the soul. At its heart lies a soothing water feature, its gentle babble echoing amidst lush greenery and delicate ferns, creating a symphony of calm. Stepping stones guide the way to a secluded meditation area, where a simple wooden bench awaits, adorned with soft cushions that beckon you to linger and unwind. Here, amidst the rustle of leaves and the gentle trickle of water, you'll find a peaceful retreat for reflection and rejuvenation, where the stresses of the day melt away and the spirit finds solace in the beauty of nature's embrace. Step into a contemporary oasis nestled within a small backyard garden, where sleek design and urban sophistication meet in perfect harmony. Here, sleek raised planters boast architectural plants and sculptural grasses, their clean lines and modern forms creating a striking visual statement against the backdrop of minimalist hardscaping. Framed by clean-lined pathways and minimalist outdoor furniture, the space exudes a chic urban vibe that's perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding in style. Strategically placed accent lighting casts a warm glow, highlighting focal points and adding to the ambience of this chic retreat. It's a sanctuary where modern design flourishes, inviting you to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and indulge in the luxury of contemporary elegance. Step into a tranquil haven nestled within a small backyard garden, where the serene beauty of Japan unfolds in all its splendor. At the heart of the landscape lies a tranquil koi pond, its still waters reflecting the lush greenery that surrounds it. Moss-covered rocks dot the shoreline, lending a sense of ancient tranquility to the scene, while bonsai trees and sculpted shrubs add to the meticulously crafted ambience. A traditional wooden bridge spans the pond, leading to a serene seating area adorned with tatami mats and bamboo accents, inviting quiet contemplation and meditation. It's a sanctuary where the timeless wisdom of Japanese design harmonizes with the natural world, creating a space of serenity and harmony that nourishes the soul. Step into a Mediterranean paradise tucked away in a small backyard garden, where the sun-drenched beauty of the Mediterranean comes to life in all its glory. Terracotta pots brim with fragrant herbs, citrus trees, and vibrant Mediterranean flowers, their colors and scents dancing in the warm breeze. Surrounding a central mosaic-tiled patio, wrought iron furniture beckons with rustic charm, inviting you to linger and savor the tranquility of the moment. And at the heart of it all, a cascading water fountain adds to the ambience, its soothing melody transporting you to the sun-kissed shores of a rustic European villa. It's a sanctuary where the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle flourishes, inviting you to bask in its timeless beauty and embrace the joy of La Dolce Vita. Step into a sustainable sanctuary nestled within a small backyard garden where eco-conscious design flourishes in harmony with nature's bounty. Raised vegetable beds brim with the promise of fresh produce, their fertile soil nurtured by rainwater harvested from the heavens above. Native pollinator plants beckon with their vibrant blooms, attracting beneficial insects and birds to the garden's embrace. Throughout the landscape, eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood and recycled containers find new life, serving as testaments to the power of creative reuse. It's a space where environmental stewardship takes center stage, showcasing a commitment to sustainability and a reverence for the earth. Here, amidst the lush greenery and thriving life, a vibrant and productive urban garden space emerges, offering a glimpse of a greener, more sustainable future. Step into an enchanting oasis nestled in a small backyard garden where every corner exudes rustic charm and natural beauty. Raised wooden planters burst with an array of herbs, vegetables, and vibrant blooms, creating a kaleidoscope of color and fragrance that delights the senses. Bordering the lush greenery, a cobblestone pathway meanders gracefully, inviting exploration and wonder. At the heart of it all, a charming seating area beckons with rustic furniture and the soothing melody of a bubbling water fountain, evoking a sense of tranquility and serenity. It's a sanctuary where the symphony of nature's bounty and rustic elegance blend seamlessly, inviting you to unwind and connect with the simple joys of outdoor living. Step into a whimsical wonderland nestled within a small backyard garden, where every corner tells a tale of vibrant color and playful charm. Eclectic planters burst with an abundance of vibrant flowers, creating a kaleidoscope of hues that dance in the sunlight. Among the lush foliage, whimsical sculptures peek out, adding a touch of whimsy and delight to the scene. Meandering along a flagstone pathway, you'll discover hidden treasures at every turn. And nestled within, a cozy seating nook awaits, adorned with bohemian textiles and hanging lanterns, casting a warm and inviting glow. It's a magical oasis where imagination knows no bounds, inviting you to escape into a world of enchantment and joy. Step into a picturesque haven nestled within a small backyard garden where old-fashioned charm and timeless beauty converge in a delightful display of nostalgia. Here, the air is perfumed with the sweet scent of roses, peonies, and delphiniums, their vibrant blooms arranged in whimsical borders and cascading from overflowing hanging baskets. Surrounding it all, a quaint wooden picket fence adds to the cottage-style allure, evoking images of simpler times and bygone eras. Vintage-inspired decor accents dot the landscape, adding a touch of whimsy and authenticity to the scene. It's a charming oasis where the beauty of yesteryears blooms anew, inviting you to bask in the warmth of its nostalgic embrace.